Welcome everyone to Cook for Your Wife. Robert here. Today we're doing crispy chicken salads. Right now I got some oil heated up to 350 and I'm putting my flour tortillas in there to make little taco bowls to put the salad in. There's nothing real hard. I just make sure the oil's nice and hot and put it in there, and I got a little can right here that had vegetables in it, and I just put it on there and just stick it in there till it's done. Sometimes you get a little splattering with these thicker tortillas, as you can see. Sometimes they splatter, sometimes they don't when they bubble up, but I like the thicker tortillas because I like the bread like. I mean, if you're going to have a tortilla, let's make it nice and thick, right? All right, let me turn this. I got some that I did earlier. Okay, now we're going to do one more. Okay, turn the stove off because we're all done. Get that all nice and brown. I use the smaller ones because my plates aren't very big. And that way when I put them in there I can spread it out. Okay. We're going to let these drain, and I'm going to start getting the chicken ready to fry in the skillet. So hang on, I'll be right back. I'm going to pause the video. Okay everybody, we're back. Now we're going to get ready to fry the chicken. I have my chicken cut into the tenders that I wanted, and I have some all-purpose flour right here with a little bit of garlic, seasoning, salt, and pepper in it. And I got some Planko breadcrumbs right here. And I got a couple eggs I'm getting ready to crack in here and beat up. And I got the oil heating up in the pan to do these chicken tenders, make them nice and crispy. And after we get these chicken tenders going and get done, then we will come back to make the what I like to call the tossed salad to put into the bowls. Very yummy. Nice little rainy day today, trying to anyway, or this afternoon I should say. It didn't rain today. Okay, so now we're going to check my oil here. Okay, get that a little hot. And we're going to dip the chicken into the egg. And then we're going to put it into the flour and pat it real good. Might as well just put the rest of this chicken in there too. I'm going to pat this down real good and cover it up. Make sure everything is adhering to it real good. And we're going to roll it in these breadcrumbs a little bit, and I'm probably going to re-dip it. And let me get the rest of this chicken in here so I can get it to stick. A little messy. You can use egg or you can use milk. I'm using egg today. Okay. I'm going to re-dip this chicken in the egg mixture. And then we're going to dip it into the breadcrumbs. Get them all. All right, now we're turning the chicken here. Want you guys to see that, how nice and crispy this looks. I'll turn it this way so you can see it a little better. Turn this big one over so I can get in here. There we go. Nice crispy coating on there. Yum. Nice golden brown. We're going to let that finish cooking all the way through, and then we'll start getting the salad ready. Okay, hang tight, guys. All right, here we go. As you can see, the chicken is nicely done and golden brown. So we're letting that sit there. And in the meantime, I got some iceberg lettuce washed and just put enough for 2 salads into a bowl. Okay, broke it all up. Now we're going to add some olives to those because we like olives. This is the part where you can add whatever you want. So we're going to add some olives to it and some onion. Some mushroom and grape tomatoes, some avocado and cheese. Nice well-rounded salad. So we got the olives in here. And I got some mushrooms here. I do slice my own mushrooms, but sometimes the deal is really good on pre-sliced. So I'll get the pre-sliced ones and then I'll just break them up. This is how I want them. Okay. Okay. Those over there. Then we're going to put a little bit of tomatoes in here. Slice them in half. Probably use about a half of that onion, I guess. Okay. A couple more. Oh, oops. Five-second rule. Whoop. Okay. That's in, that's in. We're going to throw a little bit of cheese in, maybe a cup or so, handful. Throw the cheese on top. I have some leftover croutons here. That's the only reason I'm using them, because we have some that are left over, so I'm just going to dump those in there too. Why not? Okay, we're going to cut some onion. Okay, get that to the side. Okay, we're just going to dice this up real quick. Gives a little onion flavor. Okay, get this into the bowl. Now we're going to do a half of an avocado. Slice it down. Okay. Get rid of the little seed skin. Okay. Like so. Okay, I'm going to chop these up. There's some avocado. Now I need to wash my hands. And we'll set this to the side. Put this over there for the garbage. Hang on a minute, guys. Dry my hands here. Okay. Now we're going to drop a piece of onion on my foot. We're going to put a little bit of Himalayan salt in. Just a little bit. And I'm going to drizzle some ranch dressing. You can use whatever dressing you want. Sometimes we use Thousand. And we just the side, and we're going to grab our bowl. I don't know why I just rinsed those off. And we're going to fill our bowl with our nice salad we just made and spread that out. Okay, spread that out real nice. Okay. Then we're going to take a piece of our chicken that's really hot in my hands. Ow. And we're going to slice it up. Gonna slice it up real nice. So we don't want to try to knock the breading off. There we go. There we go. Leave that breading in place. Yes. Okay. Then you just kind of turn it. Pick it up with your knife. Put it on there. Do it again. Get the little crumbles in there. And folks, there it is. Crispy chicken salad. That's what I like to call it. Doesn't that look good? Tastes pretty good, especially on a warm summer day. All right, guys, thank you for watching as usual. I really appreciate everybody watching and following the channel. You guys rock. Thank you very much. Have a good night.